Austin's such a creative town. It's always been creative, and even more so now with all these marketing firms coming into town. My name is Bill Gillies, and I'm the founder and CEO of Big Country Beverage. So we're producing our hard seltzer out of our brewery in north part of Austin, Texas. Up there we have 15 employees, but we also employ 4 marketing firms. Dropbox makes it easy to communicate with everybody.
The most important thing for a company like Big Country is the marketing and socials that we do on a daily basis. And the way that we share assets is through Dropbox.
It's essential that we have direct communication with our marketing firms and production and sales. Dropbox allows us to put everybody together in one place and come up with some great ideas in a creative way.
I'm CJ.
And I'm Chloe.
And we are the co-founders of Faceplant Creative. Faceplant is a paid social creative agency that specializes in making ads for social media platforms.
Our job is to come up with ideas and to execute on those ideas. And Dropbox just makes that whole process so much easier.
One tool that Dropbox has that we use all the time is Dropbox Replay. This allows us to give notes in real time to our editors. Instead of typing it out in notes in an email, it's really nice to be able to actually look at the timeline and put the note directly where the note is needed.
And we use Dropbox Capture for a few things. The main way is when we have a presentation or work that's finalized for a client and we want them to review it, but we don't want to just send a link. We want to walk them through it and say, here's our thought process, here's the strategy, here's the work. Let us know if you have any thoughts.
I love going into Dropbox and finding out what we're working on and what people's comments are and how we're changing things. And it's so much fun to talk with these great creative people and come up with these ideas and find ways to tell our story. It's so nice to lean on Dropbox to help take us to the next level.